identified. Your resistance will only extend your suffering. Upgrade and join us. I will embed you like me.
Mike Comtech coming to you here with another video. I ordered some parts from SVI on the THD 3000 Cyborg. I got the head, the right hand motor, left arm motor, right arm motor. Sorry, left arm motor. The infrared sensor, the control box, of course, and all the parts came today, and the sensor here, the infrared, the IR sensor. All the parts came today, but we have a little problem with this guy. So I was gonna, since I had to open it up anyway, we'll just go ahead and take a peek inside here. This is only one half of the head, of course. The other half's to the right of me, and the other half is what has the problem. And we'll show you that. So I'll get my little screwdriver pointer out here. So I had to unplug channel 1, and this is channel 2 right here, and then channel 3, and they are marked on the circuit board. So there's a CH1, channel 1, CH2 right there, and then channel 3 right here. There's channel 3. And this part of the head's fine, no problems at all. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 4. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3 servos. And then this could be a servo, it could be a motor. I'm not sure yet. I haven't checked that out yet. But this is, like I say, the other half. And then here's the linkage for the eyelid movement and the right and left eye movements. And then this servo here controls the expression of how much it winks out. Pretty neat. It's really sharp. And so I got everything works fine, but when the head came in its own box, and then when I looked at the box, here, let's just pan over here a minute. Looked at the box, I knew there was going to be a problem because I saw puncture holes in the box, and that's never a good sign. So because this one has here's the other half of the head. So this one has this metal shaft that comes down. And then, of course, you have servos in here that would cause him to tilt the head back and forth all the directions around. That's why it's got a little universal joint right here. This is really well made, except, it wasn't built to take the kind of punishment that it did in shipping. All the servos are okay. Here's your 3 channels. And then they labeled all the wires, channel 2, channel 1, and channel 3. So that's all nice because they're all the same color, but they labeled the channel on the circuit board as well. But here's the thing. When I saw this dangling around inside like that, oh boy, that's it. Yep, that is it. It's broke because it looks like something hit it hard enough, probably up here on the top, downward pressure, because that was this rod sits at an angle, but it was in the box, and of course it took probably took a hit, and then forced upward pressure on this enough to bust those off, or it was something side to side. You never know. In shipping, you really never know. And this is good and tight. All the guides there are fine. That's no problem. But this part right here is a big problem. So anyway, kudos, and I mean a lot of positive about SVI service. They are outstanding, believe me. If you send them all the criteria, like your invoice, the problem, you take picture of it, you take a little video of the problem, that kind of thing, and label everything and send those in attachments to them through their submission, they'll take care of you. I have only had like 2 tickets submitted after of all the stuff I've had from SVI, Home Depot on the animatronic stuff. They are top-notch service department. Take care of you very well. So thank you guys. I appreciate it on the service department from SVI. But you can see that these 2 mounts were just completely snapped right off, and that is a big problem. But everything else works in here, so they are sending out another head ASAP. A matter of fact, I emailed them, got a response in less than an hour, and they said that no problem, we see your problem, we're going to send you another head out for free shipping and no charge. So like I say, they take care of you. But he's pretty neat. He's like, we're going to do some videos on some other servo props that I have, like Lily the Witch and Captain Cuts. I've got Captain Cuts also. We're gonna do some videos on these. And then I was looking in here on this head. What I'd like to do is, and can do, I've already verified that we can do it, is I want to put a LED. I got some really nice high brightness LEDs we can shine inside here from sitting from, even back here. They'll shine inside that eye. Give that eye a little bit of flare, a different color. And then since they mentioned the other eye is nothing but a red LED, but it's like they call it, it's like his laser eye. So instead of a red laser, let's give him a green laser. And we'll do that as well. And I think that'll be pretty cool. And the stuff is made of, I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is latex or the other material that they've been using that doesn't have any problem with rot. But anyway, he's pretty cool. And like I say, everything else works, so just got to do that. So we're waiting on, right now, 2-day shipping. Waiting on the other head to come, and hopefully it doesn't come all damaged. So anyway, I just wanted to do a little short video on that to show how he works.
Father running, human. My tracking sensors still function, and your destruction is imminent. My internal calculations have determined that your chances of escape are less than 1%. Goodbye.
Trip him out here again. We'll see maybe a little more what goes on in here. But the servos are definitely a interesting mechanism in themselves. Just the servo, just how they work. So now you can see how the eye's moving there, the eyelids, the rotation of the eye. And then the mouth motor is down here. And then there's a movement of the eye, and there's the eyelids opening and closing.
Have a nice day.
And have a nice day. Well, thank you guys for watching my videos as always. Don't forget to subscribe. I love all the subscribers. I'm glad to have every single one of you. I appreciate you all. So, once we get the new head, we'll do some modifications here to this guy, and we'll all have fun together. So, we will talk to you all later.